Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the on-screen keyboard so you can type without physical keys. Open Settings and search for Keyboard. Turn on the on-screen option or Accessibility Keyboard. Once enabled, make sure touch or mouse input is active. This matters because the keyboard needs a pointing device to send clicks. If you prefer a shortcut, configure Windows key plus Control plus O or your OS equivalent. This saves time. Now that it's visible, position it where it won't block important fields, and we move to typing techniques. You now focus on efficient input. Select the layout that fits your workflow, full for numbers, compact for one-hand use, or split for tablets. Once a layout is chosen, learn modifier key behavior. Tap Shift for one capital, double tap for caps lock, press and hold letters for accents. Enable predictive text and autocorrect to reduce taps, and consider voice input for long passages. It's faster for many tasks. Make sure to tweak key size and transparency, so the keyboard is both visible and not obstructive. You finish by saving your preferences so the keyboard reappears with the same layout and behavior. Test typing in a text editor. Confirm autocorrect and predictive suggestions work as expected. Adjust key size or sensitivity if you miss taps. If the keyboard disappears or lag occurs, restart the keyboard service or toggle the accessibility option off and on. This often resolves glitches. Finally, if problems persist, update drivers or the OS, or install an alternate on-screen keyboard app as a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.